This is a top secret fly pattern, and today I'm going to show you how to tie it. We'll start off with some black thread and grab some brassy wire. Here I'm using white. We'll use our thread to secure the brassy wire tightly to our hook shank and continue wrapping backwards well into the bend of our hook. And if you want to stock up your fly box for the fall season, you can visit my website listed below. Once happy, we'll reverse our thread's direction, heading back up towards the hook eye, ensuring to lay a smooth base to aid in our following step. With this complete, we'll grab our brassy wire and begin to wrap it forward in open spirals, trying to make the wraps evenly spaced and continuing to do so until we reach our thread. Here, we'll secure it tightly in place, taking thread wraps both in front as well as behind our wire, and helicoptering our excess free. At which point, we'll grab some emerging yarn. Here I'm using the color cream, snip a small piece free, and measure it to be a bit shorter than your hook. Secure it tightly in place over the top of our fly and continue wrapping backwards towards the start of our wires. To do so, start with tighter wraps to ensure it stays secured in place. However, as you work back towards the wire, adding slightly looser wraps will help prevent the yarn from sticking straight up. You can do this with many materials, and while it's a fine line between ensuring that stays secured, yet is positioned where you like, but with some practice is a useful skill. With this complete, we'll grab the excess yarn and snip our excess free. Cover up your tag ends. We'll trim up a few of the fibers to help round off the shape, giving it a more natural look. At which point, we'll grab some dubbing. Here I'm using a Euro blend of primarily brown, however it does have some flashier synthetic fibers. Create a dubbing noodle and begin wrapping our dubbing just in front of our wing, creating a large head that starts to taper out towards the hook eye. You can continue to add and tighten the dubbing as needed. We'll continue building up the transition down towards our hook eye before pulling everything backwards, adding a single thread wrap in front, and whip finishing to hold it all together, using our fingers as a guide to help them lay in place without creeping too far up the body. Seat your knot and snip your excess free. And of course, brush everything out to give it that nice, buggy look. And this is a fly pattern known as the Top Secret, an excellent pattern to use to represent midges, and a great choice in the fall and winter months. And I'd highly suggest giving it a try. So thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.